So, good afternoon, guys. As usual, we're here at the beautiful fucking Green Hills, right? You know, three beautiful girls went to this mall. Syempre, they have a stall here, right? Alam mo yung suot nila? Naka-shorts, naka-sando, naka-rubber shoes, makeup, lipstick, diba? Dalawa sila, syempre. Yung isa naka-flats. Yung medyo yung dito niya, covered, tapos flats, diba? Guys, alam mo yung babae? 18 years old. Yung isa, 25. Yung 18 years old na babae, diba, nag-ano yan, chat, diba, text. Bigla, a police comes in, tries to hit this girl, this 18-year-old girl, right? Grabe. Yung 18 years old daw, tried to fight back, pero her legs, grabe, muntik na masira. Diba? The 18 years old girl fought so hard that her legs couldn't make it. They banged her, they threw her, they stabbed her. Okay? Now, the sister who works with her, parang ano, she got so mad, she removed everything. Diba? She has big muscles, right? Did you know that this guy pushed her beautiful body in the escalator, yung black? Pag natulak niya siya doon, the guy broke her arms, stabbed it until she was going up. She reached the top and then she went in. All of a sudden, broke it. Alam mo, this guy, grabe, fought all kinds of girls. Like, you know, dito sa phone natin, guys, meron tayong mga kilala, di ba? Pero have you ever heard about Tasha? Shit. Last night, I went to Glorieta. Alam mo yung mga girls ngayon sa Glorieta, maganda dun. Pero the problem there, guys, when you look at them, grabe. Imagine 3 girls in that area being stabbed, thrown, diba? Grabe. You know what? I saw Karen kanina sa Global City with her friend. Someone went inside. Yeah. Alam mo, when I see Sheila all the time, ganda niya. Alam mo, one afternoon, I was at Boracay. Si Tasha, naku, tinapon siya sa isang pader, boom, yung mukha. Yan, she couldn't fight back. Everyone said, Tasha, no! Grabe yung mukha, arms, sira. And then they shot her eyeballs back. And it says, I want Tasha girl dead tonight. When they saw her legs, grabe, they threw her, they banged her. Alam mo yung girls ngayon, pag nakita mo yung legs, diretso, patay. Si Claudia, muntik na. Sa mall, may nagtumakbo, threw Claudia into a store, closed that place. Diba? Hindi nyo alam si Claudia, namatay. Grabe, way she looks, everything, right? One afternoon at around 7:30, the guy broke her heart. Grabe. Alam mo guys, pag nakita niyo si Claudia, pagdating siya dito sa Green Hills, umaksak. May nagtapon ng isang pader sa kanya. Nahiwa ang katawan. The chop, diba? Alam mo guys, imagine a Japanese girl fighting that girl, diba? Grabe. Si Sheila Punay nga dati, nung nakita ko siya sa may Connecticut parking. Alam mo yung legs na guys, Sheila Punay, grabe, I'll tell you, was hit, thrown, okay? Lahat, all of her. One of her friends daw stabbed in the heart. Siya, grabe yung likod niya, katawan, diba? Alam mo, we have a lot of girls downloading right now. You can't even stop making the call, right? Pero guys, imagine you see a girl in Green Hills tapos ganito yung suot niya. Bro, shit, fucking sexy. Alam mo si Len, pumunta siya dito sa, where is this? She went to BGC at around 6. Pagpasok niya ng bar, boom, they threw her. Tapos she stood up, fought back. Alam mo yung legs daw ni Len? 3 minutes after the fight, they banged her body into the wall, broke her back. Likod niya, yung dapat diretso, diba? Ganun na. Tapos, yung sister niya was with her friends. That's what happened to Len. They stabbed her heart. Wala na. Alam mo, when I look at Sheila Punay's leg, grabe, dapat siya na ng girlfriend ko. Look at this leg, guys. It's so fucking hot, man. Sheila Punay nga, dati, I saw her sa hotel, ha. Wala siyang kasama, siya lang. Siyempre, pagdating ko doon, siyempre, may beso, di ba? Pero sabi ko, Sheila, gusto kita maging best friend. More than a friend, actually. Oh. I really like you, Sheila. Really? Ako din. Ako din? Kasi lang, nahiya ako eh. Ay, ano nahiya? Kasi you look beautiful every day. I can't even stand looking at you. Okay lang yan, as friends naman. No, more than a friend actually. When I look at you kasi, I want to kiss you, hug you back. Alam mo dati si Sheila Punay nga dito, nakita ko siya. Yakap niya ako, hi friend, hi baby, gano'n, diba? Kinis ko pa yan sa cheeks, ang sarap. Grabe, amoy niya. Pero wait till you see the part na makita ang legs, katawan, diba? Ganda. Sheila Punay nga dati was hit by a car. Alam mo guys, itong Myla pala guys, she's actually a freaking shitty stalker. She looks at my Facebook and says, uy, what's na naman? She must be fucking no choice again. What the hell? You know, whoever lives in Makati, Magallanes, they can just pick me up here and we'll go out. My problem now? Online dating. Much better. Chat mga tao, di ba? Siya ng mga babae. Who lives here? Yun lang. By the way, I look at Sheila right now. Grabe, the fucking shit legs, bro. Grabe, at night, when I see her, someone starts to look at her, feel her legs, lahat, di ba? Hindi nyo ba alam? Sheila Punay was hit by a car this morning. Alas na siya, di ba? Hit by a car, thrown by a truck, and stabbed by a guy. Yung suot niya dapat, shorts lang. Tingnan ko itong legs na ito. Grabe yun. Kagabi nga, si Sheila, sister, yung kapatid ni Sheila, si Sarah Jean, umaksak sa pader. Bang her, throw her, whatever. Tapos one person goes to, grabe, ang daming kay Sheila. Legs. Oh. Si Tasha ng gabi, tinapon siya and said this, I need you to do me one more favor. Let's do it. I need you to Is it possible now you guys should bring Tasha to this place? Where? Name it. Everyone keeps saying that BGC Dao is a very beautiful place to destroy girls. But have you imagined yung kay Tasha? Oh yeah, I know that. Nung gabi, the guy saw Tasha, they ran after her, diba? Bigla this guy broke her leg. Patay. Chopped her down, broke her, dead. I don't know. See Sheila Punay now is thrown all around Green Hills. At the end, the wife says, Sheila, you can't lose this fight. You can do this, Sheila. I trust you. You know, one afternoon, me and Sheila met at this place in Green Hills, right? Oh, I think this is the sister of Sheila, right? Guys, have you heard about Trisha Ramos' beautiful body? Nung gabi, nung nasa Greenas ako, isang lalaki. Yan, si Trisha. The guy. Tapos, they parang dated. Hindi nyo ba alam, si Trisha daw, bumagsak. Diba nasa top floor siya, nag-picture, diba? They threw her, bang! Pagbaba niya sa cement, her legs, her arms broken. Kaya grabe, you know what? Every girl that you see now, you break their hearts, diba? Dami yun. Naila doesn't know shit. Ang dami pala kay Krisha. Mas maganda kasi dito guys, yung legs, diba? Nung pag-alis ako ng BGC, mawag yung friend ko, sabi ko, bro, your girlfriend Trisha, what? They're throwing her. Where? Here, sa Green Hills. When I arrived, there's the girl, but the guy, all of a sudden, banned Trisha, threw her body, lahat. The only thing that they wanted to do was to tie her face so hard. Yung legs niya, tapon, bagsak, diba? Jack nga, last night, she was commuting, diba? Hindi nyo ba alam yung legs niya? Nusot ng malaking kutsilyo. She couldn't get out. The guy stabbed her and leave her. You know her sister? She saw what happened, right? They slowly fought men inside a construction site. Yung legs down ni Jack, binagsak. Alam mo guys, if ever na me and Myla will break up, pwede na. I can break up na with her. Sabi ko, Han, I think kailangan natin mag-pull off. Ano pull off? Break na. Sabi ko, pull off. Ano sa nasabi ko? And then, nung gabi, siguro at around 9:30, I left. I did my thing, you know. You know what? Thank goodness I had money. My mom doesn't know that I stole from her again, right? I got to a friend's house and says, "Yo, bro, I need to borrow money. How much? I need to borrow money, your car. Okay. I have a license. I can drive. What kind? I have a Hilux, Fortuner. Maybe your Fortuner is better. Alright. No, use it." Then I used this car, went all around. 3 or 4 na, diba? Grabe. And this Anna, kaibigan ni Dea, diba? Hindi nyo ba alam, maganda pala siya. Alam mo, yung mga girls ngayon sa BGC, they bang, they throw you. One afternoon, nung nasa BGC ako, someone stabbed Erica's face. Banged her arms. Yung guard sa Avita, maganda pala siya. Wala siyang asawa. Miss ko siya yun. Wala na. Si Ate Ana Magi, yung dito sa Green Hills, may isang lalaki. Sabi niya, "Miss Ana, is it okay if I will bring you to this place first?" "Where are you gonna bring me?" "I was planning to bring you to a place here at Green Hills. We'll talk, we'll date." You know, I wasn't naman there, right? Hindi nyo ba alam? The guy brought Ate Ana, this girl, to a construction site. Guess what? So, what did you bring me here? Are you ready for your ultimate power? Let's see if you're strong enough to break us. Yung alam yung legs niya, yung tick na. They scratched her, they banged her, they threw her. At the end, the guy stabs her heart. Dead. we're putting all these pictures all together sa isang album. We'll look at it by one. We also have to focus on what they usually wear. Hindi nyo ba alam si Tasha daw got hit by a truck, banged by a face. Grabe dami. Oops, sorry. Yes, hot. So we already have the photos, which is good. We'll do the YouTube later when we're inside the toilet. Okay, so here's our suggestion and our plans. We'll go now to the promenade. We'll go to the lounge. We have to make paalam to the girl or to the person na if it's okay to make the bathroom dark. Pero syempre silence, diba? Sige sir, kayo bahala. Basta ako, diba sabi ko, I promise to clean it yun. Okay lang sir, kami pa bahala. Hindi nyo ba alam? Nag-jackal ako for 3 hours doon. Lahat ng mga pictures, diba? Kailangan nyo ba si Mika Reyes sa Trump's Play Shop? In America, police are very hard to kill. Mika Reyes all of a sudden got hit by police. She ran out. This guy caught her legs, threw her into another building. Tapos, she got weak, diba? Nahulog siya. They banged her face. Oof. Alam mo yung mga Japanese Ryona na yan? Let's download them again. Put it all in my phone. Watch them die. Like their face, their cheeks, diba? How they punch. Oh. Imagine si Rina, Gladys, yung mga girls. For example, you go to Green Hills at exactly 10. You see all around here, girls. Okay? Yung mga sinusuot ngayon guys, shorts, skirt, diba? Yung mga skinny jeans na yan. Last night, I saw Tasha, Ara. Here, sa Magallanes. She was at the Pick Up Coffee with Tony, si Jerusha, oh my God. Nung gabi na yon, someone saw Jerusha, went in, started to bang her, throw her. Alam mo yung legs niya? She had cramps. And the guy says, alright, it looks like some people are coming up now. Yeah. So we'll go now guys, we'll see you guys at the bathroom.